So as you can see, on the left side of the front battery box is the pot box, potentiometer to control the throttle of the electric car. That gets hooked up to the actual throttle cable of the VW Beetle, and the connection over there is for the actual connection, and then there's a potentiometer, which the throttle cable will pull that, and then we hook up a backup spring, an emergency spring, to that section there, just in case the spring inside here breaks. So there's a redundancy in that. And now it's just a matter of we're going to fabricate a cover for this. We have the ABS, and we'll fabricate a nice little box for that and secure it, and this way the elements don't get onto it. We'll have more. Come back. Okay, so now we have to start wiring up this combination that I have, this mess, and we have to wire it up so the control box, which is the box on the top, can be moved to access the batteries. And the rest of it we have to make pretty much permanent, because we won't have access to the fuse and the shunt once we put this battery box in. So we have to make unless I take the battery box out, and that means I have to now take the batteries out and probably take the front end clip off, because that's the way I'm putting it in. So we'll see what happens there. Now, I did last night, I was able to hook up the pot box connection, and I'll have to build a little cover for that, and I'm going to replace those bolts or those screws or those machine screws that are coming out, because they're really long and it looks crummy. I want to give it a nice professional, but as I'm looking at it now, it's not that bad. It looks pretty good, so maybe I won't do that and not waste my time. So that's where we are now, and it's actually Monday, the 14th, and I only got an hour and a half, 2 hours at night to do this. I'm busy working during the day, so we're getting there. I was speaking to Randy, actually emailing Randy from Canadian Electric, and asked him what does he think, because he's done this before. What does he think about switching to a smaller footprint battery, like a motorcycle battery, or a snowmobile motorcycle, or a one of those four-wheel, those quads. They use these small batteries, and he said he does it, and you just have to watch when you go all the way over with the power steering pump, because the power steering pump is going to be run off of that. So I think I'm going to do that. I'll measure it out and see how much room I have, because what I'd like to do is to be able to fit that compressor in there also. So I'd like to be able to have battery, half, and then the compressor. That'd be neat. And then I still only have to find a place for the control box. And then we're done with the placement, the mechanical placement, and we can get this wiring. That's the phone. I'll check back.